Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to Watchbox and thanks for logging on. Watches and Wonders 2022 is underway. We've talked about big brands and small brands. Now we're talking about one that's mid-sized but beloved, Nomos Glasuta. Nomos this year marks the fourth series of its Club Campus collection that first debuted back in 2017. At the time, these affordable watches were billed as the ideal reward to mark an achievement or life milestone with a special emphasis on graduates and educational achievement. For 2022, two new models arrive with color options deep pink and blue purple. University acceptance, graduation, PhD completion, and first jobs are proposed as examples of occasions on which to receive a watch, and the affordable Club Campus is designed with gifting in mind. To that end, Nomos offers a factory engraving service to create customized dedications on the casebacks of these watches, and they are going to be solid casebacks, so you may as well take advantage of that offering. Up to 4 lines of text can be applied to the solid caseback of the Club models, and that includes all of the new models. Nomos views its newest models as appropriate for men and women, with no distinction being made between deep pink dials and blue purple. Both of them have a lovely matte granular texture, and both dials are available in case sizes of 36 millimeters or 38.5 millimeters, and all case options are of stainless steel. As you can see, the watches come on factory straps. Because this is Nomos, the straps will be shell cordovan or horse leather. Now, each model is rated water resistant to 100 meters, so these are sports watches with few handling restrictions. Nomos Caliber Alpha powers all variants. It's an in-house manual wind movement with a 43-hour power reserve. While pricing for the two new models was not announced at the time of this recording, Nomos currently charges $1,500 for the existing steel 36mm Club model and $1,650 for the 38.5mm Club model. Stay tuned to Watchbox Studios for updates from Watches and Wonders 2022.